Hey, good morning. It's JP from Procyon, and I'm here on site with my good friend Brian Duncan of Valley Professional Cleaning Services. We're going to be doing some commercial end cap cleaning this morning at a local business, and I'll be trying to take a few snippets to show you guys the great work done by our end cap machine, and also with a method using extreme carpet cleaner and a floor machine. Very simple. Not much equipment required, low moisture, high results. So Brian and I have been cleaning for a couple of hours. Great results with the low moisture end cap cleaning using the end cap machine. But here is a simple rotary floor machine, and I want to show you quickly how you can get great results, no special equipment, just pre-spraying with Extreme and using your rotary floor machine with a green stripe agitation bonnet. You can also use a loopy bonnet, but we're just going to do it with the green stripe to start with. And this is some prime traffic area right by this elevator. So I'm going to take a photo of that as well, but it's super dirty. So we're going to get that clean. First step is to pre-spray with Extreme. All right, so here I am with the low-tech spray bottle. This is all you need. And I'm going to go ahead and just pre-spray this area. You don't have to over-wet it. It's going to be a little surprise for the building management people because we're cleaning inside an office. This is actually a common area. But why not make somebody happy? Here we go with the end cap, or I'm sorry, the rotary floor machine, also known as your simple end cap. I'm going to have Brian focus on the carpet a little bit here because you can already probably start to see some pattern where you didn't see it before. Now this carpet should be dry in about 20 minutes because this is super low moisture. But super great results. So if you want to make a client really, really happy at a lower cost, and profound results, no noisy extraction, this is the way to do it.